Probably one of the more difficult cases that I had was a 13-year-old boy. I remember his youth. I remember spending 2.5 days with that family. I remember nurses holding each other in tears because he was so young, and working through that with the mother, the father, and the large circle of friends that goes with a youth. And that when we talk about organ donation, there are 8 organs that we talk about for donation: heart, lungs, liver, kidneys, pancreas, and lower intestine. And the only thing that we did not use on this young man was his lower intestine. He was a beautiful little boy, and it was a tragedy, and yet we made so much good come from it.
My husband is a 4-year heart transplant recipient. We were married in the hospital on November 20th at approximately 4:30. And just shortly after our wedding, we were informed that we had a heart. And my husband had waited for 28 days to get a transplant, which really isn't that long. The next day, my husband received his heart, and 4 years later, he's doing great. And if it wasn't for donors, he wouldn't be alive today. So I hope that you will consider the importance of organ donation.